Hey traders, this is Matt from Paragon Elite Trading, and we're going to discuss some important concepts today. Trading is a performance-based profession where physical and mental health are just as crucial as financial strategy. Optimizing sleep, nutrition, and exercise forms the biological foundation for sound decision-making. To achieve peak results, traders must implement structured pre-session rituals and maintain an environment that fosters focus and flow. It's tempting to overweight trading activity, but a sustainable lifestyle approach, emphasizing long-term recovery and psychological tracking, is key. Protect your mornings ruthlessly. Your first hour sets your cognitive baseline. Chaotic mornings create reactive trading. Structured mornings create intentional execution. No phone, news, or social media before your pre-trading ritual. The market will still be there. Your focus may not be. Trading is a performance profession, not just an analytical activity. Like elite athletes, top traders optimize their physical condition, mental state, routines, and recovery to perform under pressure. Every market decision is influenced by sleep, stress, nutrition, and focus. The performance equation. Trading performance equals skill multiplied by state. Skill is your strategy, experience, and knowledge. State is your physical and mental condition. State acts as a multiplier, never an afterthought. Treating trading as a performance profession shifts the focus to a holistic model, where state is central. Sleep, nutrition, and exercise are trading tools, not lifestyle choices. Quality sleep, blood sugar stability, and movement, such as a 20-minute walk, improve your trading state. Rituals prepare the brain for execution by signaling and transitioning into a focused mode. Elite performers use rituals as a bridge from daily distractions to execution. Consistency conditions the brain for discipline and focus. A well-structured ritual includes a physical reset, strategic orientation through reviewing the trading plan and risk rules, psychological priming with visualization, and reducing cognitive load. Automated preparation preserves mental energy, saving decision-making power for high-stakes choices. Your brain is your trading engine. If your body is compromised, decision quality drops. Sleep deprivation drains a trader's state, a critical multiplier in performance. Impaired cognitive functions, reduced rule adherence, compromised risk management, and emotional volatility result from poor sleep. Sleep deprivation impacts judgment and emotional regulation, comparable to alcohol intoxication. Even one poor night can reduce your ability to follow rules and manage risk. Target 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Maintain consistent sleep and wake times, and treat sleep as a trading tool, not a luxury. Blood sugar instability leads to poor focus and emotional volatility. Avoid trading while hungry or overly full. Favor light, stable meals during trading hours. Stay hydrated, as dehydration reduces cognitive performance. Regular physical activity lowers cortisol, improves mood, and enhances clarity. Aim for consistent weekly exercise, and even a 20-minute walk before trading improves state. Movement quickly resets stress. Treat substances strategically. Caffeine can enhance focus or increase anxiety, and alcohol reduces next-day cognitive performance. Peak traders use substances. Performance-oriented traders use consistent rituals to signal the brain for focused execution. Rituals include reviewing risk rules, trading plans, checking economic calendars, and using visualization and deep breathing. A sample pre-trading ritual: light exercise or stretching, review trading plan, check economic calendar, review yesterday's trades, deep breathing, and state your intention for the session. Consistency is what matters. Repeating the same process conditions your brain for recovery is not optional. Without it, burnout is inevitable. Close charts and step away when the session ends. Avoid watching markets outside your trading plan. Engage in unrelated activities and use mindfulness or reflection to clear mental residue. Recovery protects tomorrow's performance. The flow state is a peak mental condition of complete absorption where focus feels effortless. Protecting this state from distractions and oversized positions is essential. Traders must prioritize recovery and sustainability to prevent burnout. Peak performers track psychological metrics such as plan adherence and emotional state, alongside profit and loss. Reduce decisions wherever possible. Automate, template, and checklist anything repeatable. Trade smaller than your ego wants. Oversizing increases psychological load. Peak performance is achieved through maximum control, not maximum size. An orderly environment is crucial for achieving flow. Distractions like phones, social media, and news break deep focus. Anxiety from oversized positions and boredom from forcing trades are flow killers. Protect your environment. Flow cannot exist in chaos. Guard your environment like capital. Noise, clutter, and interruptions erode focus. Your trading space should signal seriousness. If it looks casual, your execution will be too. Mental energy is finite, and decision fatigue accumulates with every choice. Make important decisions early when energy is highest. Take short breaks every 60 to 90 minutes. Use checklists to reduce cognitive load. Recognize depletion, and stop trading before quality declines. Knowing when to stop is a performance skill. Schedule boredom intentionally. Impulsiveness is the enemy. The best traders can sit calmly with no setups, practicing control. Knowing when to stop is essential. Peak performers do not trade until exhaustion. They stop while still sharp. Define an end condition before you start. Never rely on "I'll know when." Success is no longer measured solely by profit and loss. Peak performers track psychological metrics such as plan adherence and emotional state. The performance equation redefines trading success as the product of skill and state. Skill is the analytical foundation. State is the physical and mental multiplier. Rituals optimize state, and recovery is mandatory for sustainability. Think of a traditional trader as a car enthusiast focused only on horsepower. A performance trader, like a Formula One team, optimizes fuel quality, driver's reflexes, and pit stop efficiency. Recovery is not downtime, it's preparation. Poor recovery shows up as irritability and impulsive decisions in the next session. Sleep, rest, and disengagement are performance tools, not rewards for trading well. Sleep deprivation compromises a trader's state, impacting judgment, rule adherence, risk management, emotional regulation, and decision quality. Trading is a long-term profession. Many traders fail due to exhaustion, obsession, and imbalance, not strategy. The most successful traders design routines they can sustain for decades. Longevity beats intensity. Those who manage energy early are still trading later in life. Separate identity from outcomes. Professionals see trading as an activity, not who they are. Peak performance is not constant. There are periods for learning, executing, consolidating, and stepping back. Long-term edge is knowing when to push and when to protect capacity. Treat sleep as a tactical trading tool, targeting 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. State is your physical and mental condition at execution. Physical foundation includes sleep, nutrition, and hydration. Sleep deprivation impairs judgment and emotional regulation. Dehydration and blood sugar instability degrade performance. Elite traders use pre-trading rituals to signal the brain for focus. Managing energy is a career strategy. Longevity beats intensity. Mental energy is like a smartphone battery. Decision fatigue is running too many power-hungry apps. Energy management involves closing background apps, taking breaks, and knowing when to put the phone away. Peak performers refine behavior as well as strategy. Track psychological metrics alongside profit and loss, emotional state during trades, plan adherence, decision quality, and recovery effectiveness. What gets measured gets improved. Track state, not just stats. Patterns explain performance swings before the equity curve does. Your job is not to feel confident, but to behave professionally regardless of how you feel. Peak performance is consistent, disciplined behavior under imperfect conditions.